Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a Carolina Herrera to show you today. So this is the Carolina Herrera Minuetto. So a bit of a mouthful of a name, but a gorgeous bag. We've got one top handle, and then we have got that Carolina Herrera embossed leather all throughout the bag. And then we've got this lovely flat closure, which I really like the shape of it. I think that looks really pretty. And then we've got one shoulder strap, so it is leather and chain shoulder strap. So we've got that pretty chain section and then that comfortable leather section for your shoulder as well. Underneath that flap closure, we've got a little double push pin fasten. So I'll just push that in and then that just undoes like that. And then inside the bag, we've got one flat pocket. So you can see just here, that flat pocket just there. And then we also have a little key ring strap in there as well. So attached to the inside of the bag, we've got that little clip on that leather strap there too. So that is the features of this Minuetto. The condition we have called fair all around, and I'll show you those marks and those signs of wear, the reason why we've called it fair. So on this flat closure, you can see there is quite a bit of scratching on that flap. You can see when I show you in the light, we've got a fair few scratches on that flap. The rest of the leather actually is in a lovely condition. You can see all of this is really nice, and that's got minimal signs of wear to it. There is some wear to the corners, so that leather is rubbing, and you can see where that has been used on those corners a little bit. And then we have got a couple of marks along that base, just like those two there. But that shape again is really lovely. I think it's got really nice relaxed shape. But the interior again we've called fair. Again, it's a similar situation. There's just a few signs of wear, a few marks on it. So you can see little marks just like this one, and just there, and small little scratches along that leather. And then inside, you can see on that pocket, we've got some marks as well. So you can see just in that corner, some light marks on the corner of that pocket. And then the hardware we've called fair. It's still got that lovely gold tone actually on that push pin fasten. There is quite a bit of scratching on there, but then that chain still looks really lovely, and there's minimal scratching on there. That gold tone has faded a little bit, but again, it's still a lovely unscratched condition. So that is why we've called the condition of this bag fair all around. It's a well-loved bag, but it still looks really beautiful, and again, it's still got that really nice shape, lovely colour, and the leather still feels really nice. It's very tactile too. So that is the condition of this Carolina Herrera. We have also got the Carolina Herrera dust bag coming with it, and the exact measurements for it are going to be on our website. So if you go to the description below this video, you will find the link. You'll find a link in there. So if you click that link, that is the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. If you get to that link and it doesn't take you directly to this bag, and it just takes you to our generic products page with all of our other bags on it, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto. So if this is the kind of thing that you've been looking out for, and then you've seen it on our YouTube and you get to our link and it's already gone, just let us know. Send us through an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. And then as soon as we have another one like it, we'll send you through an email and it will have the link to shop in it. And then you can hopefully get in there nice and quickly next time. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website. While you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. So I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". And that shoulder strap, again, it's really lovely with that comfortable leather section. And it sits at a really nice height as well. And it doesn't stick out too far, so it just sits really comfortably under your arm like that. Or you can pop it and have it with that top handle on your arm like that too, which looks really beautiful. So if you are looking for a gorgeous bag like this one, go to the link in the description below, Sign up to our newsletter again while you're on our website. We'll send you through your welcome discount code when you do that, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you're interested in selling any of your bags with Armcandy Bag Co. And don't forget to like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel, hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you. And we'll be back very soon with some more.